you too have cut your hair and you regret it, this is the video for you. Sorry, this chair is so squeaky, I'm gonna have to sit really still. Oh, it's one of those chairs that if it like went through, it goes straight up your bum. Okay, that's made me really nervous. First hairstyle that I've been loving, literally just taking a couple of front pieces, twisting them and butterfly clipping them back on both sides, or you can just do one. But this helps to get my hair out of my face. Another variation of that hairstyle is just doing two little twists at the front. So grabbing two little pieces, literally the quickest thing in the world, twisting. You know, I have styled my hair yesterday. If you'd like me to show you how I did that, I can, but it just looks better curly. I don't know, a shorts video on how I do this to start with, let me know in the comments. Next up, we kind of have like a little Y2K moment. Yeah, who even am I? I have like two of these clips, which would be really cute to do this with, but I'm going to use bobby pins because I've got more of them. This hairbrush thing is absolutely disgusting, so please ignore it. You get out your front pieces like so. Literally forgot what hairstyle I was doing for a second then. Mark there-ish and go back and then pull all of my hair back apart from this front section here. Grab a cheeky bobby pin, pin that front section in place and do that all the way down. Might even include the front piece, not gonna lie to you. Like, get all of that hair out my face. You could leave it like this is pretty cute. Gonna pull a couple of bits out in front of my ears. All out your face, same time, lock in. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the captain. Skip to the present. Again, section front pieces. I'm gonna take these two bits and clip them together to get them out of the way. I'm gonna take my hairbrush and kind of like squeeze to try and get it flat. Ponytail it up. Yeah, do you ever find when you're putting your hair up and you've got rings on your hands, the hairband gets stuck to your rings? Release. The next one's kind of similar to that one. I've got this little clip with like most of its prongs missing, so preferably get one that doesn't have most of its prongs missing. So I'm going with a parting this time though, and I'm going to smooth that hair round. You could use gel, but for the sake of the video and like going between all the hairstyles, I'm not going to, because by the end of the video we would literally have Lego man hair. You get it into a little ponytail like so. You're gonna twist up. I'm actually going to use this one because it's actually got prongs. Play around with it so it sits how you want. Pin it in place. These bits are kind of weird right now. This used to happen anyway when I did this video with long hair, but my hair is just getting bigger and bigger. I'm gonna grab your first strand of hair, which is at the top, and just a piece from underneath, and twist them round each other. You're then going to take the piece of hair that's at the back, grab another piece. So you've got two pieces like this, but this has got extra hair. Twist them round each other. Use the back piece, which will be the other piece this time. Get some hair, twist it round each other, and keep doing this until you reach the bottom of your head. Cheeky part down the middle, should have done this first. But you know, we're not perfect. Ow. Literally just put it into a pigtail. Working on my first record. actually used a hairbrush for this because I want it to look kind of messy. There we go, some earpieces as well. Scrape all of this back, ponytail it off. And done like a little bun thing. It's a sectioning the front job, and I'm actually going to clip these bits back. Grab a couple of little butterfly clips, brush through that, bobby pin that in place at the bottom, and then kind of try and hide the bobby pin with the butterfly clip, so it looks like it's just been clipped there with the butterfly clip. Then same on the other side. Right, now I can let the rest down, scoop it up, scoop, just kind of like a cute, kind of like a cuter way of doing a low ponytail, essentially, like a spicy low ponytail. Just might clip these bits up. That's what it feels like. Also do the clip hairstyle. Anyway, you'll probably be able to tell why I left this one to last. So we're gonna do absolutely get all hair back, no exceptions. Oh, I was like, there's a lump on my head, then I realized it's my skull. Both sides. I'm gonna ponytail it off. There are bits of hair falling out, but it's gonna happen. So it's up, it's kind of sleek. I ideally would like some snap clips. So I'm just gonna use any old clip I can find. Kind of like little girl core. You could just use normal bobby pins too. Twist the ponytail. This is not gonna stay in a bun, but let me turn the other way. I'm trying to mold it into the best shape of a bun that I possibly can. Gonna collect all the baby bits. The idea kind of is you could use colourful clips to like make a statement. I don't have them, but I'm kind of liking it. It's getting it out my face. My hair is up, out the way, kind of put together. Like you could wear this out, I guess. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Any more hair content you want to see, let me know. And I will see you in next week's video. Love you all. Bye. I'm going chasing, I'm calling, I'm moving to the music. Please welcome to the stage.